Meredith Wiepert, principal here at Creekside Elementary. We are very excited for the 2019-20 school year. This year we have 2 new faculty members. We have in 4th grade, Mrs. Jenny Calloway, and then we have in 1st grade, Mrs. Carrie Harlow. So we're very excited to have them join our Creekside family. We, like I said, are going to have a fantastic year. If you have any questions, please contact our school office at 270-369-8460.
Hi, I'm Auntie Meredith, president of the PTA at Creekside, and I would like to encourage everyone to join us this year. And you can learn about things that are going on at school. You can help out with projects that we have. We love volunteers, and we'll have a great time together. We have a Facebook page. It's Creekside PTA on Facebook. You can like it, and you'll receive all of our notifications and updates and information, and then we also send newsletters home once a month.
Hi, I'm Dana Seago. I am the nurse here at Creekside Elementary, and we're so excited to start the school year out. We do have a program here. It's called the Healthy Kids Clinic Program, and it's offered by Cumberland Family Medical. Wonderful program. We have nurse practitioners that come to school to see kids when they're sick. Also, they offer well child checkups. They do immunizations, they do strep tests. Anything that your doctor can do, we can do here at the school now. The thing to do, there'll be paperwork that goes home this year. Registration form, please complete that front and back if you want those services provided here at school. I can't see your child if that registration form is not filled out. It is filed to your insurance, like I said, just like you're at your doctor's office. It's a really wonderful program. A lot of schools do participate in this, and if you have any questions, you can contact the school for further information. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lauren French. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Creekside. My job here is to assist teachers and families with removing non-academic barriers to learning. Some of the programs that we offer are Cradle School. That program is for children ages birth through 5. It's an early intervention program. It's free to all of our families, and it's offered at College View and North Park Elementary. Some of the programs that we do, that I do, are family nights, different parent involvement activities, and I'm just here to serve Creekside's community, students, families, and staff. For more information about the Family Resource Center, please contact the school.
Hello, my name is Letisa Barnes, and I'm with the SAC program, SACC, that is the After School Care Program. And our hours are from 2:15 until 5:30 p.m. Every day that school is in session. We have snack time, and we have all kinds of play time for the kids. We also have homework time where the teachers help the children with their homework. And we go outside, and we also go to the gym, and we can go to the computer lab too. For more information about school-age child care, you can contact me, Letisa Barnes, or you can contact my boss, Ms. Amy Wood, at the central office.